Nutrition in home and preschool. Nutrition in home and preschool aid to child and group daycare homes for the provision of nutritious food that contribute to the wellness, healthy growth and development of young children and the health and wellness of older adults and chronically impaired disabled persons. Preschool nutrition is just one part of the equation for healthy children. What is the function in home and preschool? As children begin preschool and school, it is important that they receive a variety of healthy meals. It is important that parents, childcare professionals, school nutritional personnel all work to ensure that children are offered a variety of healthy foods. A child's early years are important for their future health and well-being, and good nutrition during this time lays a healthy foundation for all of childhood and life. Preschool nutrition and physical activity are becoming key issues in the fight against obesity. Now, let us look at the benefits of nutrition in home and preschool. The intake of nutrition is important during childhood and adolescence when bone mass is being built. Good nutrition is the first line of defense against childhood diseases which can leave their mark on the child for life. In the area of rational development, where there is not enough food, the body has to make a decision about how to invest the limited foodstuff available. Survival comes first, growth comes second. Preschool child can help lay a foundation for lifelong good health by creating a positive environment. What are the eating patterns in schools? For preschoolers, normal growth and development also play a big role in their eating habits. As preschoolers grow, they change physically, mentally, and socially. These changes affect everything they do, including eating. A balanced diet gives kids the nutrients necessary for health, growth, and development, and the energy for exploration. Through eating right and playing a lot, preschoolers can maintain a weight and stay energized as they get ready for the next big step in their young lives. A regular intake of food is needed throughout the day to keep children active and to help their concentration while learning. Now, let us study the suggested meal plan for a 3 to 5 year old child. Now, when child becomes a 3 to 5 year old, he should be able to comfortably navigate many of the same food you eat. The key is giving smaller portion sizes at meals and snacks throughout the day to fuel his energy needs. Below are some tips for feeding your preschooler as well as a sample menu that guide you in the food selection, but remember, let your own preference and child appetite be the guide. 1 potato and half cup of other vegetables, half cup pasta or rice, and half cup of custard yogurt and diced fruit. Since their small stomachs don't allow them to eat big portions, they need food that pack in a lot of nutrients. Foods like sweet potatoes and nuts are full of essential nutrients and give your child lot of energy. Moving further, let us look at the nutrition tips for preschool child. Children at preschool age can be fussy eaters, offer regular meals and snacks, but let a child follow their appetite. Don't use food or treats as reward and keep treats like sweets for special occasion. Healthy foods for lunch boxes include sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, cheese and other snacks. Sweet drinks such as juices, soft drinks are unnecessary in a child diet. It is important to provide a balanced and variety and tasty meal and snacks. Offer foods from all the food groups, whole grains such as whole wheat bread, pastas and grain cereals. Unpredictable and unusual eating behavior is very common among preschool children aged 2 to 5 years. Why proper nutrition is essential for children during preschooling? It is recommended that the diets of children over the age of 5 years follow the Eat Well Plate model. Healthy eating guidelines are not intended to apply in fully to preschool children. A diet which is low in fat and high in fiber may be too bulky and not supply enough energy for a young child. A good supply of protein, calcium, iron and vitamin A and D is important during this time. An eating pattern based on small meals and snacks selected from the 4 main foods group should be encouraged. Proper nutrition during preschooling. The dietary requirements of toddlers and preschool children differ from those of older children. preschool children are growing rapidly and are active, so their energy requirements are high relative to their body size. They require foods that combine high energy and nutrient density, which should be eaten as a part of a small and frequent meals. Thank you.